Hello, guys, welcome back with the fourth puzzle, a jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, in Dutch they call it cyberblock, in Japanese Suguru, in the additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, September the 21st, 2023, already solved 3 puzzles, the 3 stars, the 4 star Sudoku, the binary, and it's time now for the jigsaw Sudoku number 7139. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one, 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one, because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 16, but it's indicated with 4 stars. And for 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. First question to you, can we see here the single box or boxes? I see only one single box. The single box is always a 1, so let me put the 1 there. Then the next question, do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, here dual box, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Same for here, the 1 and the 2. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? Contains the 1, the 2 and the 3. Well, we have here 1 triple box. Well, this box can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. And the 1 and the 2 could be everywhere. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Let me put this 4 or a 5. The other side should be also 4 or a 5, but the 5 is given, already given. Alright, more triple boxes here. No. Next question, do we have here quadra boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, the 3 and the 4. No quadra boxes? Well, then the following strategy, my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, we have here this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. This box has the same name as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Let me check here. Another one, but rotated. This box has the same name as that box. Okay, here another one. This box has the same name as that box. In this case, it's a 1 or a 2 here. 1 or a 2. But we already have a 1 here. So it cannot be a 1 anymore. This box should be a 2. Is connected with that box, should be also 2. 1 box left in this dual box for number 1. Okay. Let me continue. Alright. Next, figure, structure or construction, shape. How about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 2 here. Alright. This box has the same name as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No, only 1 of it. Yes. Then the following shape, how about the L shape? Upside down, the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. This box has the same name as that box. In this case, it's a 1 or a 2. Alright, more L shapes? No. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Yeah, we have here 1, 2, 3 shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step It's easy for filling those and numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These two boxes can be a 1, but also that box can be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the only place left with 1 in this L-shaped area should be here. Is connected with that box should be also a 1. 1 box left in this dual box for number 2. This box can be a 2. This box can be a 3. So the 2 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Well, I cannot place the 3 there because we have a double 3 there. If I place the 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So the 3 should be there and the 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in this L-shaped area for number 4. Alright, these two boxes can be 2. So the 2 should be here. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left with 1 in this triple box should be there. And I've eliminated the 3. So the 3 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left with 1 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 5 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 2. These two boxes can be 3. These two boxes can be 4. So 3 and 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 3 now. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Alright, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. Let me mark those. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. Okay. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be here. Then. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. And is connected with that box should be also a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. Then. Let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be there. This box can be 2, this box can be 4. So 2 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. So 1 digit left in this W area shape for number 3. Alright. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, we have a double 2 there. Can be a 3, we have a 3 in the same area. Can be a 4, we have a double 4 there. So 1 digit left should be the 5. Alright. Then these 3 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. Okay. Then. Let me think. These 2 boxes in this area are reserved for the numbers 3 and 4, 3 and 4. That means that those 2 boxes can be 3 or a 4. We have a double 3 there, double 4 there. So 3 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Okay. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4 or a 5. We have a double 4 here, double 5 there. So yeah, definitely a 3. These 2 boxes can be 3. That box can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be here. Then let me see. These two boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be here. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be a 1. Should be a 2. Can be 3. Can be 4. Can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 1 digit left in this area from 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 2 and a 4. We have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 goes there. Alright. These two boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there. 4 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area. One was 2 and the 4, we have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can be 3. Can be 4. Can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 1 and the 4. 1 and the 4, we have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. Alright, I think this box should be a 4. I've marked this box with 4 or a 5. We have a 5 there, so this box should be a 4. Alright. Then 3 and a 4, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and 4 goes there. This box can be 2, this box can be 3, so the 2 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 1. These two boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. Let me mark those. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. These two boxes can be a 1. Those two boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that those two boxes can be a 1 because we've had double 1 here. If I place a 1 here or here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 3 and the 4. 3 to 4. We have 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here and 3 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be a 5. We have a double 5 there, yes. Definitely a 1. Then. Let me see. This box can be a 2. So 2 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 2 there. That means that this box cannot be a 2 anymore. If I place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So the 2 is supposed to be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 and a 5, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there. These two boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there. I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 3. 3 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, 3 goes there. It is in 30 minutes. Well. 30 minutes, 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 15 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. So thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute. No, in a minute, tomorrow. Yeah, I've solved all the puzzles in additional, so I will see you tomorrow. New puzzles, and so have a great and fantastic Thursday. Until then, bye bye for now.